2, 3. It sounds so cool, and yet it's just eighth notes. Allow me to break this down. For now, let's stick it between a floor tom and a snare drum and the kick drum. So we're going to get right, kick, left. Kick. That's literally all this groove is. Right, kick, left. Make sure as you're doing that you count eighth notes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all your bass drums are going to be on the ands. And then, once you've done that, keeping everything in the same order, you can move your right hand to wherever you want. I'm choosing to start on the floor tom and then move up to a hi-hat. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But you can move it wherever you want, like this. 3, 4. Super cool, super groovy, great right foot workout. Let's play it faster. 3, 4. Ooh, very nice. Have a good day.